Good morning, New Jersey! Nandito dito. Ng breakfast. Start the day. Ito almusal namin sa New Jersey. Okay, hindi pa ako nakapag-start ng vlog this morning kasi nag-puntang Philadelphia.
Ito ba tayo pumasok? Ay, na yata yung Majalas eh. Asa na Majalas ka?
Sorry. Dito kakain sa little Italian restaurant. Oh, yung Field House Sports Bar. Philadelphia! Woohoo! Heading market. Ayan dito.
Yeah, exactly.
Kasama namin ngayon is mga higher batch. Higher batch. Papakilala natin yung mga higher batch natin. Ayan yung dalawa. Mamaya maghapon na po.
Oh, we have to pay here.
Okay. Yes.
So, cheese steak. Tatry na rin natin. Shrema. Hello.
Mas masarap dito.
Iba pa pala to dito. Hi sir, how much is this sir? How much?
I don't know. Brother.
Truffle. Babe, meron pala itong puro truffle siya. Super Glenn.
Ano niya?
Pasalubong sa wife niya.
Salubong.
Kasi nagano siya dun eh. Kaka-video call niya. Kasi na ito, maganda sana i-ano kay Pao eh. Kasi lang, hirap iuwi eh. Ito reading market. Tourist spot here. Philadelphia. Ayan. Pwede pang bilhin. Literal bite size ang ngipin, no? Pustiso na chocolate. Hello po. Wait lang po. Entering the tourista mode. The double decker.
Magpakuha kayo sa sightseeing tour.
Double decker sightseeing tour in Philadelphia.
Ayan o, dito o. Diyan kayo sa gitna.
Okay na po. Thank you. Babe. Ready? Unang meal.
Okay na?
Philly cheesesteak. Isa lang muna buksan natin.
Yeah.
Sarap. Rate 1 to 10. Ano ang pagkain sa Philly? Okay.
Alam.
We will try the Philly cheesesteak. Parang glue doon.
Ganun ba talaga?
Ewan ko. Parang masarap siya. Or baka may ibang may ibang kind ng Philly cheesesteak. Sarap po.
Alam na namin kayo ng picture.
Mamaya po, sige kain muna po.
Hindi, habang kumakain.
Hindi, after na po. Picture na habang kumakain. Masaya kumamaya na. Hop on, hop off, Philadelphia. Yeah. Hey guys. Fancy. Wow, ganda.
The building was inspired. That building was the first building built taller than William Penn. I know it doesn't look like it from here, but it's 750 feet plus 80 feet of spire. We had promised our Mexico, the ones in Egypt. There is no solid stone building larger than this anywhere in the world. It's also the largest municipal building of any kind in the
building
United
dito, babe,
States.
no?
Notice all the air conditioners, no place for ducks or vents. It is solid stone.
Wow.
You're going to get a much wider view when we go around the corner. So they do tours
Thank you,
here.
Lord.
Neo-Gothic on the outside, 11
Oh, ganda
separate
ba?
halls, all designed in different architectural styles from around the world. The building's really gorgeous inside. Hey, at least if you're around City Hall, at least go into the courtyard. You really feel the immense General John Reynolds.
More things to see, let me say. Sabi niya.
Statues across the street on the right
Ano
hand
yan?
side.
Galing, oh.
Anybody for stop 7, Love Park, City Hall, 16th and JFK.
Ano lang ano dito?
No one's getting out. Logan William Penn's private secretary. But around that park is the Basilica Cathedral of St. Peter and Paul you can visit.
Yeah,
One of the few
tama.
buildings that were here before the parkway opened in 1918. The Academy of Natural Sciences, Museum, the Franklin Institute, as well as the main branch
Ah,
of the
tatama tayo.
library system. There's a lot to see in the library. It's not just a big room. Pennsylvania Railroad. Know what else came out of here? The Reading
Ayan, ganda,
Railroad, the B&O Railroad,
Suburban
and the Short
Station.
Line. Now you know where
Kaya.
everybody got their trains. It's only an hour from Center City, Philadelphia, to Atlantic City. Much longer
So yung pag nagkita tayo sa New York, no? Worth it
a
kaya?
Holocaust memorial to the left. Now, the Franklin Institute is the home of the first
Maganda, no?
planetarium in the United States.
Baka
To
nandiyan
the
sa
left-hand
Bishop.
side is
Maganda
a man named
natin.
Thaddeus Kukushko,
Mamaya dyan tayo.
a Polish man that came to fight for
Polish
the
man.
idea of free democratic government like Lafayette.
Dami.
He was an engineer and a soldier, helped
Pwede
design
siguro
the
ako maging,
fortifications up at West Point and Saratoga
Okay.
in New York State. Years after the revolution, when John Adams lived here as president, he came back to visit us. I mean, he met us, he hung around with us for a year at 2:30. It's not a museum and they don't have the staff to do that a lot of times during the day, just once. But you're more than welcome to go in and look at
Grabe
things
sa
yourself.
Philadelphia. Ganda.
Dito
The
pala
Academy of
nagpunta si
Natural Sciences to the left and the big Franklin Institute.
Dito po,
to the
2015.
left.
Logan
Shakespeare Memorial on the right,
Pope.
the Pluto, the pillar.
Si Pope, pumunta daw dito ng
American
2015.
service in the U.S. military throughout our history.
Sobrang classic ng ano dito, mga building.
Sailors of the Civil War. He did do some stonework though.
Iniisip siya. Okay, iniisip.
Okay, we're going up the Eastern State Penitentiary, the first the half marathon fictional portion of the character in the movie, and it ends at the top of the steps. Then you're like, right, I'm not. Hey, folks, just hold on till we come to a complete stop here. If you are getting out,
Ah, sila.
there's more than 4,000 acres of park back there. And there's Rocky. People waiting in line. The line sometimes gets very long.
Selecta nila, oh. Selecta nila.
Bricks and rocks and cut them away. Turned out to be a good thing because now there's a lot more museum. For women, most of them were professional. And the Pythons would play the Phillies.
Ah, sige, tawagan ko na lang. Philadelphia. Yan. Pa-picture na lang kami. Ganda rin dito sa Philadelphia, babe, no? Parang ano lang, peaceful. Isang ganda ng architecture. Ano? Steady lang.
Magbuti na lang one day.
Ah.
Pero sana
Maiwanan na kami ng bus. Kaya nga madali kami. Pero, yung kasama namin sa likod. Ay, ito mo. National Museum. Puro museum dito, no? Mga pang ano, mga nerdy nerd. Ay, nandiyan pala si sis. Kabila. Pero,
and it goes for 1.8 miles or 2.9 kilometers.
New Jersey?
New Jersey na doon. Magkakalapit yan. New Jersey, New York, Delaware.
You can literally walk to New Jersey
Magkakalapit yan.
if you cross that bridge, but you can also take the train or drive or bike or whatever.
Tawag twice.
Now, to the left, there's also the Fireman's Hall Museum. This was an action back in 1902, but it's been used as a museum to honor our firefighters. To the left also, we're going to be approaching Alfred's Alley. Philadelphia, she was from New Jersey, but she came from a Quaker family, so it made more sense for the family to move to Philly. Because Philly was the Quaker city and the city. She was married 3 times, as I said. Grave stones or anything around there because Quakers
Ayun naman ang
value
pendulum.
of simplicity. So they don't have any grave stones or anything. So you see, and in return, we sent them a replica of the Liberty Bell.
Welcome to Longwood Gardens. Ulit. Hello. Meron po. Ha? Nasaan? Longwood Gardens. Ito guys, diba? Ang ganda ng nandito. Wow. Ganda. Social na CR. Wow. Tingnan mo, CR lang to guys. CR. Iihi kasi ganito. Gerbs kasi ganito.
Papakitaan ako ng dalawang poste.
Ano, dalawang ano daw?
Dalawang poste. Dalawang giant. Ay, tila mo para tayong waki. Ha? Ayan kayo, waki kayo. Ay. Parang ano.
Okay.
Yeah, kunyari. I-ano mo kagad sa akin yan. I-forward mo sa akin.
Wow, pa!
O ganda yung lagyan mo ng snap. Para kayong mga artista. Snap. Cute. Snap. Snap na app. I-download mo. Download mo yung snap na app.
Ano yan? Meron ko po kayo Snapchat?
Snap.
Ah, meron ka?
Hindi siya. Di ba meron ka? Parang ano ba yan, makahiya? Di ba makahiya yan? Ha? Ang makahiya yung mga maliliit na ginanyan mo, touch mo ganyan.
Paano, Sister Emma? Paano? Saan? Mga sayawan to, sayawan.
Oo.
Sample, Sister Emma, paano sumayaw?
Thursday, Monday pala, maaga pala na sa
Thursday,
Friday, Saturday, ang dancing lang. Ang ganda. Ano ka, nagmamagic? Oh.
Ito, vlog. Makikita ka sa Facebook.
Pala, halala. Pero may araw din maulan. Kasi, parang yung simbahan, ano.
Sila highlight natin. Highlight, Sister Emma. Sister Pelly. Yes.
Welcome. We are very shy na kamerada. Pennsylvania, you're gonna see a lot of varieties of flowers and species of plants, you know? So come and enjoy the beautiful view of this garden. From north to south, east to west.
This is Target. Nahanap. Parang ano nila. SM. Maraming stuffs.
Or there's a create your own soda frame kit.
Sa Target. Ha? Yun. Sige. Wait lang. Mahirap pala mag-vlog. Kailangan lagi ka may sinasabi. Kaya, ay, ang cute. O nga, no. Nawawala ng sinasabi. Ano ba ang technique para tuloy-tuloy ang pananalita? sa vlog. Pag may tao na. Pag naglalakad, wala na masasabi. So, paano pang salita? So, mga parang nagiging reel lang na reels na walang music. Koala. Ay, owala. Owala.
Maybe $27 lang.
Magkano sa peso times 55? Ito, dito na tayo. Kaya natin tumingin. Ang nilalagay sa paa. Wala eh. Dicks yun eh.
Hindi. Meron yung usually dito. Eh, wait lang.
Ito ay. Compression yun eh. Okay, kakainan namin tonight. Ichiban buffet. Masarap kaya ito. Ewan ko masarap naman. Mahirap magsalita talaga. Ito ang problema dapat pag nagko-content. Kapag nagko-content, dapat talented. Kapag talented, dami mo sinasabi. Ang hirap mag-vlog talaga. Ay, maglalakad ka. Harap pa mas mahiya ka. Ay, naku, grabe. Ayun, sila kasama. Ito, hindi mga mahihiyain.
Ang ano, di ba ang hotel malapit?
Hello, guys.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Yan ang ano, bubuhay sa vlog natin. Sila, Sister Felisa.
Hindi, buffet, may soup yan.
Wow. Ito na yung buffet. Cajun na seafood.
Seafood? Saan yun?
Hindi, bukas po if ever.
Oo, pwede tayo. Sa may ano ba yan? Sa may Lancaster yun? Okay na?
Hindi, baka lang po may alam.
Ah,
Naalala ko
oo.
kasi yung
Cajun? Hanapin na natin habang naka...
So mga guys, at ganito ang buffet dito.
Yeah, okay, makanin tayo.
Itong buffet dito sa Amerika, ng Japanese.
May soup
Ito.
doon ah. Asa na ba?
Susulitin mo, Sister Emma.
Alin?
Sulit na sulit.
Ulit.
Sulit na sulit. Anda. Grabe. Prime ribs, buffet. So kakain muna ako. Kuha muna ako pagkain. Oh.
Sino sabi sa'yo? Ako madaya kasi wala kang ano ko eh. Kaon pa yan.
May wonton soup pa. Ang lahat.
Kanin mo. May kanin.
this is a Philly roll. I think this is a Philly roll.
Naman yan. Walang sa sinilang sa yun. Pat. Okay, madali lang.
Ano ka dati yun? Ano ito pa kalabas? China.
Babe.
Huwag yan. Kukuha ko naman. Hindi mo maano eh. Mayroon.
Namiss ko na kasi.
Super excited. Mag-uwi ka kaya sir.
Ayan talaga nakaka-good mood lagi ang good food.
Oo.
Especially kasi mahirap po magluto yung ganyan, yung taba niya ganyan.
Oo.
Hindi kasi na parang nakakaano na po yung, di ba yung tuloy-tuloy na ano, Filipino food? Ay na ano na,
Yung mga parang American food. Parang ang last namin kain na Filipino food, Jollibee, bago umalis ng airport.
Talaga?
Opo.
Eh, parang namang Filipino ba yung parang ang mga products naman nila hindi chicken.
hindi rin ano.
Pero ako mga kinuha ko yung mga isda lang at saka yung
Ano sa bahay? Nagdaman Ito na, nahihilo na ako.
Mayroon strawberry. Strawberry ice cream pala.
Nakalive yan.
Naisip ko pa kung magla-live ako.